Hi guys, I went to visit my daughter yesterday. Got a bag full of stuff to look at. Got a lamp there to fix. And then there's a couple of vacuum cleaners, I think, in there that are really just for stripping down for parts. Not intending to fix them. But the lamp, she thinks it's probably the same as the last one she gave me to look at. Probably the wire gone where it goes through the hole. So we'll have a look at that first. Right, first thing we'll do is the basics. We'll plug it in and see what happens. It comes on. That's exactly what happened last time she gave me one to look at. It came on, but I had to wiggle the wires to find the fault. Well, at the moment, that seems to be absolutely fine. Well, she assured me it was 40. It went then, didn't it? Which one was it? Looks like it's actually in the switch. And that looks like a sealed switch. Probably not supposed to come apart. That was definitely the switch, wasn't it? Yeah, that's not doing it. I'm trying to make sure it's not, while moving that. It does appear to be in the switch somewhere, doesn't it? Okay. In that case, we'll see if we can take the switch apart. So I expect it's not supposed to come apart. safest fix there would be to get a new switch. Right, it's coming apart. You're one of those ones that you need to know how it comes apart before you take it apart and break it. It's not coming apart easily. Just a hard push fit. Well, there's not a lot to look at. These pillars and posts, those just go into those holes, and they got little pegs in the middle of them, which I expect expand those holes there and sort of clamp it all together. The question is the wire broken in there, or is it just loose there? Oh, that's what it is. That'll be it. That in focus. I think you can see that moving. One on the other side move. Yeah, the one on the other side moves as well. Well, one choice would be to see if we can actually solder on there. Trouble is, we might melt the plastic around it as we do that. I think that's what's going on, just moving that. Is enough to cause it to flicker. If that's the problem, that's what it seems to be to me. I'll get a soldering iron, just see if we can actually get solder to take on there. Because that is just clamped. There's just crushed onto it to hold it in place. Soldered the leads or the brass end caps directly onto the metal plate that it was clamped to. So the only question is, have I melted the metal plates into the plastic supporting them? That seems to be okay. So I'll put it back together. Because I don't want to, I suppose I could just test it while it's like that. If I keep my fingers out the way and don't electrocute myself. I've got a bit of blue tack underneath holding it still. Right, I'll plug it in. Lights come on. Just making sure I'm keeping my fingers away from it. And then try wobbling that. Oh, switch it back on again. That seems to have done the job. If that's what the problem was. So I couldn't get it to flicker playing around at that end. So I think it was that light switch. I'll unplug it again, put the cover back on, and check it still works. Right, back together. On, wobble. That seems to have cured it. Interesting. I've just rubbed over the edges here where I've roughened the surface up a bit. That seems to be all right. Right, well, I think we fixed it, as far as I can tell. Shelley model BB 523, and then D 5122523. Oh, 051222523. B&Q, yeah. Specially made in China for B&Q PLC. Indoor use only. If the cord is damaged, the luminaire shall be destroyed. Oh well, there we go. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.